nutrition is the process to obtain energy. The systems of nutrition are the respiratory, the digestive, the circulatory, and the excretory systems. The respiratory system consists on obtaining oxygen to get energy for the body. You can see that the air enters from the nose or from the mouth and then travels to the trachea to finally enters in the lungs. The circulatory system is the system to transport nutrients and oxygen with the blood, and the heart is the organ most important because it impulses the blood. At the same time that the heart beats, it impulses blood that contains nutrients and oxygen around the body.
The food processing takes place in the digestive system. Digestion consists in 4 stages: ingestion, digestion, absorption, and elimination. The 5 organs of the digestive system are mouth, stomach, esophagus, small intestine, and large intestine. First, the food enters from the mouth to our body. Then the food travels to the esophagus, to the stomach, and the stomach digests all the food. Then the waste substance travels to 2 intestines. Excretory system is the responsible to eliminating waste substance from the bowel. In this way, clean blood always circulates around our body. The main organs are the kidney, the ureters, urinary bladder, and the urethra. The kidneys every day filters all blood, then the waste substance called urine travels to the ureters and the urinary bladder expels to our body.
Sensitivity. Sensitivity is the ability to react to the environment. Locomotor system. It is made up of the skeleton, skeletal muscles, tendons, ligaments, joints, cartilage, and other connective tissue. These parts join together to allow movement. Muscular system. The muscular system is the responsible for the movement of the human body. Attached to the bones of the skeletal system are about 700 named muscles that make up roughly half of a person's body's weight. Muscular system. There is the biceps, the pectorals, the abs, the adductor, and the gemelles.
Our peripheral nervous system. What are the organs of the peripheral nervous system? The organs of the peripheral nervous system are nerves and ganglia. Nerves are bundles of nerve fibers. How it works? Your peripheral nervous system feeds information into your brain for most of your senses. It carries signals that allow you to move your muscles. Your peripheral nervous system also delivers signals that your brain uses to control vital unconscious processes like your heartbeat and breathing. Your peripheral nervous system has 2 main subsystems, autonomic and somatic. Autonomic. These are nervous system processes your brain runs automatically and without your thinking about them. Somatic. These are functions you manage by thinking about them. The central nervous system. What are the organs of the central nervous system? The central nervous system is made up of the brain and the spinal cord. How the central nervous system works? The nervous system uses tiny cells called neurons, which consist of nerves that connect the brain with the spinal cord to send messages back and from the brain through the body. Billions of neurons work together to create a communication networks. Different neurons have different works. The skeletal system. What are the organs of the skeletal system? And how it works? The organs are bones, cartilage, ligaments, and tendons. How it works? The skeleton supports the body against the pull of gravity. The large bones of lower limbs support the trunk when standing. The skeleton also protects the soft body parts. And the fused bones of the cranium surround the brain to make it less vulnerable to injury.
What is reproduction? Reproduction is a biological process by which an organism reproduces an offspring that is biologically similar to the organism. For species survival, become immortal, low resources and bad environment. Reproduction, sexual and asexual. Sexual, we need two parents, adaptation to change, and faster evolution. Asexual, faster than
The prostate gland produces seminal fluid which protects and transports the sperm. The sperm duct are two tubes that allow the passage of the sperm to the urethra. The urethra is a tube inside the penis. It can carry out the sperm or the urine. The penis is the organ that contains the urethra. It passes the sperm and the urine inside the male body. There are two testicles. They produce millions of spermatozoa or sperm. These are the male sex cells. The female sex cell. The two fallopian tubes connect the ovaries to the uterus. There are two ovaries. They contain thousands of egg cells called ova. These are female sex cells. The uterus or womb is like a soft bag. In this where the baby develops. The cervix. It connects the uterus with the vagina. It consists of strong muscle. It's very narrow. The vagina is a tube. It connects the cervix to the external part, the vulva. How does the baby develop? The fetus develops inside the uterus, inside a bag called the amniotic sac. This sac contains liquid called amniotic fluid. This liquid protects the baby.